Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying mouse grid or mouse aim bug in The Last of Us Part 2, Remastered on PC. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Start menu and type Registry Editor. Click on it and, if prompted, hit Yes to allow changes. Now that we're in the Registry Editor, open HKEY Current User. Open Software. Open Naughty Dog. Open The Last of Us Part 2. Open Input. Go ahead and find the setting called Enable Mouse Smoothing. Double-click on it to open it. Here, you'll see a box that says Value Data. If it's currently set to 1, that means mouse smoothing is enabled. We want to disable it to fix the aiming bug, so just change that value from 1 to 0. Once you've done that, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Your mouse aim should now feel way more responsive, and that grid bug should be gone. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more quick PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.